today, as we gather beneath our flag, we are reminded that the strength of an organization is built daily through discipline, professionalism, and the consistent decision to serve with honor. To our awardees, our outstanding personnel, units, supervisors, and stakeholders, my warmest congratulations. This recognition is not simply for being visible, but for being reliable and effective, for meeting standards that reflect the best of PRO Mimaropa. To our police awardees, you show what happens when competence is matched by character, when strength is guided by discipline and action is matched by accountability. And to our awardees from our partner agencies and organizations, thank you for investing your time, resources, and trust in our shared mission. Public safety is a shared responsibility, and our success is mutual. At the same time, let me say this clearly. While partnership strengthens the work, it is the police standing on the line every day who carries the mandate of enforcement, protection, and response. Without disciplined police service, peace and order cannot be sustained, and without partners who support reforms and work with us on the ground, our service cannot reach its full impact. Every police officer has a role in justice, from the first responder who secures the scene, to the investigator who builds the case, to the supervisor who ensures quality and compliance. Higher standards mean we go beyond arrest and case filing. We measure success as cases that withstand judicial scrutiny through lawful procedures, credible evidence, and respect. Because when cases collapse due to weak evidence or poor documentation, public trust suffers. But when justice is delivered properly, trust strengthens, and communities become more willing to cooperate and partner with the police. To every member of PRO Mimaropa and to our partners, Ma'am and Sir, of PRO Mimaropa, and stakeholders, continue to stand with the men and women who keep watch daily through cooperation, timely information, shared initiatives, and unified action. When we elevate our standards, we elevate our credibility. When we elevate our credibility, we strengthen public trust. And when public trust is strong, our mandate becomes meaningful.